Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your network settings on your CHiQ TV. So to do this, you're gonna press this home button, which is located right here on your Pilot. It's this home button. You're gonna press it, and then in the top right corner of your screen you can see this Cog icon. So press on that as well, then go to the system, or actually no, sorry, go to your network. And in the network you can change the connection type from wireless network to just wired. So if you have your internet connected through the wire, just change it to wired. And you can change the IPv4 and IPv6 settings as well. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.